Now you're looking live in the Rosviet module's vestibule. Yuri Malenchenko on the left, Tim Kopra in the center, Tim Peake of the European Space Agency on the right, as they gather to say farewell to Jeff Williams, Oleg Skoropochka, and Alexei Ovchinin. Final farewells and handshakes all the way around before they make their way through that hatchway behind Peake into the Soyuz TMA-19M spacecraft. Kopra first, followed by Peake, as we are about to lose our signal through the tracking and data relay satellite system. Some bonus KU coverage now, as Malenchenko offers a final wave and a farewell. The crew, once inside the Soyuz, will begin the process of closing the hatch. Once the hatch is closed, they will transfer the Soyuz vehicle from ISS-provided power to autonomous power through the remainder of the Soyuz's time through undocking and its return to Earth. And you see at the hatchway, Oleg Skoropochka and Alexei Ovchinin in the foreground. As they prepare to close the hatch, there will be leak checks conducted on both sides of the docking interface between the hatchway for the Soyuz and the International Space Station before that vestibule is depressurized down to vacuum, setting the stage for the actual undocking of the Soyuz from Rosviet that is scheduled 3 hours and 19 minutes from now. Undocking confirmed at 12:52 a.m. Central Time, 1:52 a.m. Eastern Time, as the Soyuz and the International Space Station flew 254 miles over far eastern Mongolia.
Give me your estimate.
With undocking, Expedition 48 is now formally underway aboard the International Space Station under the command of NASA's Jeff Williams.
What is your estimate of the docking port? No comments. Copy. It's all clean.
And this is a view from the Soyuz as it backs away from the Rosviet module of the International Space Station. Again, undocking occurring on time at 12:52 a.m. Central, 1:52 a.m. Eastern Time.
In a minute. Waiting for the first burn in 3 minutes. Copy.
We're about a minute away from the first separation burn. Again, that will be an 8-second burn to increase the opening rate between the Soyuz and the station by about 0.6 of a meter per second.
Soyuz TMA-19M departing. Farewell, gentlemen. See you on the ground.
The traditional ringing of the bell on board the International Space Station by its new commander, NASA's Jeff Williams.
Good luck to you. See you on the ground. See you soon.
Having launched last December 15th, the Soyuz TMA-19M begins the journey home. Next stop, the steppe of Kazakhstan.
Thruster activation. Yes. We copy.
First separation burn underway.
8 seconds of operation.
And the separation burn complete.
We see the maneuver. Yes, we can observe the maneuver.
There is the Soyuz TMA-19M. For those of us just joining our broadcast, we are just 8.5 minutes away from touchdown. A good view of the Soyuz spacecraft descending under its parachute. The Soyuz nearing its touchdown point, southeast of the town of Zhezkazgan. And we're standing by for touchdown. The Soyuz is home. Touchdown confirmed at 4:15 a.m. Central Time. And now video has been reestablished from the landing site. A good view of Yuri Malenchenko, the Soyuz commander. And Tim Peake, the first British astronaut to fly on the International Space Station. Peake completing his first mission. Malenchenko completing 6 flights into space and a total of 828 days away from the planet, second most on the all-time list behind fellow cosmonaut Gennady Padalka.
Raise the legs up. Okay, everyone's doing their job.
Doc, if you want the fan connect. All 3 crew members now out of the Soyuz vehicle.
Okay, it's going. Is that good?
I think it's connected already.
Is it blowing? It's all good? It's all good.
Yeah, I mean, it was just real picturesque. And there goes Kopra right now. We were able to see it in the helicopters almost the entire way down under chute. And like I said, able to see those soft landing engines and everything fire. And that was just unreal to see, you know, from a helicopter just a few hundred feet away.
Well, Dan, thanks very much. Enjoy that weather. It's not often that we experience temperatures around 80 degrees Fahrenheit, but everything appeared to go by the book, and we'll await further reports from you when you get back with the crew in Karaganda.